Hello, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Happy to be with you again, even if it's online. I wish I will be with you soon, inshallah. And I also wish for you to spend a good holiday. And now, forget your holiday, just spend a few days and let's start to refresh our minds and remind you and remember together our grammar today. Okay, we are gonna start with the present simple tense. The present simple tense. It's an important grammar. We use it daily in our life and the most important used grammar. Okay, let's start. The present simple tense. It's our usage today. Okay. And now let's start. Let's move to the next one. What are they doing right now? And what does she do? What do they do? What does he do? That's what I'm asking. Okay, the next one. The present simple tense. This woman, what does she do? So he answered me, the woman works on her basket. Try to extract the form of the tense. Okay, the woman, the she, work, the main verb. I added what? Letter S. Pay attention for that. Okay, the next one. I work. Was pronoun I work. Ordinary verb. Next one. You work. I didn't add anything. We work. And the other one. The work. But note that with he, I said he works, not he work. What did I do? I added S. And also with she works. And with the last pronoun, it works. So I said again, I work, you work, we work, they work. But with the other three pronouns, he, she, it, she works, he works, it works. I added what is. I only add S. Try to remember that. No, I will remind you. The next one. Let's remember again. I work, repeat after me. You work, we work, they work. I didn't add anything. But the other three pronouns, he works, she works, it works. I added what? I added letter S. Another press. I work, you work. Peter and I work with a plural. They are plural here. One or two. Two. So they are plural. So with the plural nouns, I didn't add any letters. Peter and I work, not works. Maria and Peter work. But note that Peter alone, Peter works. For he, it's based on he. And Maria what? Maria works. He added S2. And the elephant what? The elephant works. It's singular, based on pronoun it. So for the last time was he, she, and it. I added S. Only S we will know. The next one. A sentence with basic verb go. Let's do more examples like I go home, you go home, we go home, they go home. I didn't add anything, but know that and pay attention and try to differentiate between the verb work and the verb go. He goes, he added what for verb go? There is a basic verb go, G-O, and he added what? G-O-E-S, goes. Why did he do that? We will know. Also, she goes. He added E-S. It goes home. He also added E-S. Why did he do that? You gotta know. Pay attention with me. With common verbs, with pronouns he and she and it. With common verbs, any ordinary verb, I add what? S. Like work, become what? Become works. I added only S. Okay, but with the verbs, with verb and with. Pay attention for that. And with what? With S or SS. Or what is the sound? Cha, CH, or SH, or that, the, and here with go, we added ES also, letter O. That is the ends, I add ES with that. So I said, go. I said he goes, like that. I added what? ES. Okay, and also with verb wash. Can you spell it? Try with me. Yes, W-A-S-H. Wash becomes washes. I added also ES. And for verbs, end with letter Y, and before it, consonant or vowel sound. Pay attention. Consonant or vowel sound? Yes, as you said, consonant. Consonant sound. Now let's remember our vowels. Zero, I, U, A, our happy face. Okay, with consonant sounds, we remove Y and add IES. Like what? Now verb study becomes stud. And I remove the letter Y and turn it into IES. Okay, but I can't do that with the verb play. I can't do that with verb play. I can say plays like that. No, it's wrong because before the letter Y, it's a vowel sound from we said about. So it becomes place. I add only S. Like that. And this, when can I add the letters with pronouns? He, she, and it, and with singular, also. Let's move to the next part of our lesson. The present simple tense negative. How can I make negative? I don't work. Pay attention. The sentence was I work, an affirmative, and he turned it to I don't work. So for negative, I use don't. Only don't? We well no. Pay attention. I don't work. You don't work. Also I don't. We don't work. They don't work. As I said to you, he, she, and it. Love what? Love letter what? Yes, love is. Pay attention and try to know what, how can I do to make negative with he and she and it. but he doesn't work. Also S. She doesn't work. It doesn't work. Is it clear? Again, I don't work. You don't work. We don't work. They don't work. But with he, she, and it, which is they love what? Yes, they love S. So I make negative with doesn't. So I said he doesn't work. She doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay? Again, repeat them. I don't work. You don't work. Pay attention. David and I don't work. We. David and I. This is based on we. David and I. It's plural. David and I don't work. Okay? Noga and Mali don't work as well. Noga and Mali don't work. Depends on what? On pronoun what? Yes, they are plural. Noga and Mali don't work, but I tried to make the other one as singular. David, Noga, and Mali, like that. Someone doesn't work. He doesn't work. Okay, with singular. Carla also doesn't work. Carla, she. Okay. The machine doesn't work. It's best for it. So with he, she, and it, I make negative with doesn't, and also with singular nouns, I make negative with doesn't. And with the all, with the other four pronouns, and with the plural, I use what? I use don't. Like we said here, I don't work, you don't work, we don't work, they don't work, and David and I don't work. Noga and Melly don't work too. Next part. When do we use present simple tense? And now let's move to the next part. I know how to use it. Okay, it's an ordinary subject plus verb plus the complete of the sentence. And with negative, I use negative with don't and doesn't. And with affirmative, I add s with he and she and it. When do I use this sentence? Okay. When do we use the present simple tense? Let's answer this question. The first one, let's remember that basic verbs ending with ss, ch, sh, x, and o added es, like that. I push, fix, wish, kiss, brush, cross, watch. Okay, its endings sh, x, sh, ss, sh, ss, ch was pronounced what? He, she, and it. He, she, and it. I added what? Let's remember. He touches. I added es. She fixes. He added es also. It washes. He kisses. She brushes. It crosses. He watches. I added what? Es. Okay, is it clear? We have discussed it. I'll just remind you the next part. Only with he, she, and it. Okay, the next part. Opinions, likes, and feelings. Okay, the answer of our question today. Opinions, likes, and feelings. I use the present simple tense for opinions, likes, and feelings. Again, like verbs of sense and mental processes. Verbs of senses, see, sight, the test, hearing. Okay, she likes making snowmen. This here in the picture. She likes making snowmen. This is what likes. She likes. So I used what? The present simple tense. I added s with she. She likes making snowmen. She hates flying. Okay, it's also feelings. What do you like? I enjoy walking in the evening. I enjoy walking in the evening. So I also use the present simple tense. And was I add anything? No, I didn't add anything. The next one. Repeated actions. Like I go to school every day. I go to club every day. I always go to school. Okay, it's for repeated actions. Actions were repeated. Okay, like that. I walk past Thomas' house every day. I walk past Thomas' house every day. It's a repeated action. Okay. Jana shops at the supermarket once a week. Okay. Jana shops, he added S at the supermarket once a week. It's also a repeated actions, even it happens only one time. I visit France every 2 years. Again, the next one. We never read magazines. It also repeat actions. We never do that. Okay. I sometimes read comics. Never equals what? Never equals don't and doesn't. Yes, that's clear. I sometimes read comics. Okay. The next one. She often visits the night market. She often does that. Okay. And let's summarize our keywords for our tense. Pay attention and try to extract with me the key words for the tense. We said I go to school every day, so every, the key words for our tense. Key words that tell me it's a repeat actions like every day, every month, every year, every Monday, every Friday. Never. And it's equal what? It's equal don't and doesn't. Okay, and always, often, usually, sometimes, hardly ever, and so on. Any word tells me that it's a repeated action, like always, often, usually, sometimes, hardly ever, occasionally, frequently. Anything tells me that it's a repeated action. Okay, the next part. Summary for our lesson today. Okay. Third person, he, she, and it adds s. Second part, verbs ending in ss, x, ch, sh, and o added what? Added es. Verbs ending in consonant plus y, change y to ies, like study. Negative for negative third person, we use doesn't. Other forms, don't, do not. Okay. We use it for what? For facts which are always true. Water freezes at 0 degrees. It's a fact. So I use the present simple tense, and there was water, and third pronoun, I added s. 6-1, opinions, likes, feelings. Like we said, I like making snowmen. 7 and the last one, actions that happen regularly. They usually take a walk at 6 p.m. Repeated action. And may I ask you a question before moving to the next part of our lesson? Pay attention. I'm gonna check your understand. Pay attention. He is a doctor. What is the tense of the sentence? Pay attention and try to extract that. What is the tense of the sentence? It's a present simple, present continuous, past. It's a present. We agree with that. Simple or continuous? It's simple. He always works as a doctor. So it's a present simple. And where is the verb? The verb here is as. Okay, he is. The main verb here is verb to be. Okay, let's discuss it. Verb to be with the present simple tense. Okay, do you know the verb to be? It is, am, and is, and are. We use am with what, is with what, are with what. Am with pronoun I. And there is. Which loves is? Yes, he, she, and it. Are, you, we, they. And how can I make negative? By adding not for them. To become I'm not, is not, are not. I can replace them with isn't or aren't. Notice that when there is no verbs in the sentence, I use verb to be with the present simple tense and its forms am, is, and are. And I can also make question by starting with am or is or are, like I see. Is he hungry? Who can answer? Yes. And my sisters? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Okay, you notice that? Let's move to the last part of our lesson today and let's check our standing. Let's answer these questions. Yes. He gave me an examples. Choose the present simple tense. Let's answer these questions. Okay, like that. He gave me the verb play and wants me to put it in the correct form. I play the guitar. Jessica gives me also play. Jessica plays the guitar. He added what? Added letter S only because it's Y and before it vowel sound. Number one, it's for you. Here are the answers. Let's answer them together. Number one, it's verb to be. I. He wants me to use be. I, 16 years old. So there isn't main verb or basic verb here. No, so I will use verb to be. With I use what? Am or is or are? Yes, am. So it's gonna be am. I am. Number two, Tommy. Tommy, it's based on what? He or she unit. Yes, he, it's singular. So I'm gonna add what? It will be what? Live. I'll add leisure is only. Number two, it's solved. And next, move to number three. Number three, Joanna cook dinner for her family. Joanna, it's a girl, it's singular. I use what? I add what? S or es or is. And what I can add her? Pay attention, try to answer. Yes, I'm gonna add S only. The next word, They ate lunch at 12. They ate lunch at 12. Everyone answered it? Yes. They ate. I won't add any letters. I add only with he, she, Annette. Nina take a medicine when she is sick. She try to put it in the correct form. Nina takes. Excellent. I'm gonna add is only 2. Okay. This is for our lesson 3. I wish it will be enjoyable. Okay. See you with the next board, inshallah. Okay. This is for our first grammar for AL, our course M High. See you soon, inshallah. I wish I will be with you soon, inshallah. See you. Thank you.